Full alert. US Air Force B-2 Spirit bomber makes emergency takeoff at full speed. A tense movement at the top secret airbase. The US Air Force B-2 Spirit stealth bomber receives an urgent order. Full alert. The mission. An emergency takeoff at maximum speed. But what caused this sudden call to action? And can the world's most advanced stealth aircraft pull off this high stakes maneuver? Pilots and ground crew scramble into action. Every second counts as the B 2 is fueled, armed, and prepared for an immediate departure. Unlike routine takeoffs, this is a full speed emergency launch, an operation that demands precision and nerves of steel. The control tower gives the green light. The B 2's massive 172-foot wingspan dominates the runway. Its twin GE F-118 engines roar to life, producing a near silent yet deadly acceleration. With its stealth capabilities and radar evading design, this aircraft is a ghost in the sky, undetectable, unpredictable, and unstoppable. But what triggered this urgent takeoff? Intelligence reports suggest a potential airspace breach, an unidentified aerial threat approaching US territory. The B 2 must take flight immediately to ensure air dominance and national security. The throttle is pushed to the max. The B 2 surges forward, reaching takeoff speed in record time. The nose lifts, and in mere seconds, the Spirit bomber is airborne. Disappearing into the night sky, the mission has begun, silent, swift, and strategic. Meanwhile, military strategists monitor the situation closely. What's out there? A routine false alarm or a real threat? With advanced surveillance and weapons capabilities, the B 2 is prepared for any contingency. Whether it's deterrence, defense, or direct action, the stealth bomber stands ready. As the world watches, the B 2 Spirit proves once again why it's the backbone of America's strategic bomber fleet. Whether in peacetime or crisis, its presence alone is enough to send a clear message. Do not test the might of the United States Air Force. What do you think about the B 2 Spirit emergency launch capability? Is this the ultimate stealth weapon? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high intensity military content. Full alert. US Air Force B 2 Spirit bomber makes emergency takeoff at full speed. A tense moment unfolds as the US Air Force most advanced stealth bomber, the B 2 Spirit, prepares for an emergency takeoff at full speed. Captured in dramatic video footage, this high stakes maneuver crisis critical questions. What led to this sudden launch? Why did stealth aircraft need to leave the runway so urgently? Let's dive into the details of this extraordinary event. Before examining the emergency takeoff, it's essential to understand what makes the B 2 Spirit one of the most formidable bombers in the world. Developed by Northrop Grumman and introduced into service in 1989, the B 2 Spirit is a key component of US strategic air power. As one of the most expensive aircraft ever built, its capabilities remained unparalleled. Key features of the B 2 Spirit levels are stealth design, nuclear capability, advanced technology. While talking about its stealth design, built to evade enemy radar with its aerodynamic shape and radar absorbing materials. Now, coming towards its nuclear capability, can carry both nuclear and conventional weapons with immense destructive power. Third, advanced technology, equipped with modern avionics, allowing it to operate independently in various combat conditions. With these advantages, the B 2 Spirit remains one of the deadliest and the most advanced bombers in existence. This dramatic incident took place at a US Air Force base. While officials' details remain classified, military and aviation circles have been buzzing with speculation about the possible causes behind this sudden takeoff. Possible reasons for the emergency takeoffs are technical malfunction, external threat, or severe weather conditions. When such situations arise, the flight crew must take split second decisions. Thanks to their intensive training, they responded swiftly, powering up the jet engines and accelerating down the runway to ensure a successful emergency takeoff. An emergency takeoff is a high risk maneuver requiring precision execution under extreme conditions. Key challenges are pilot and aircraft safety, runway conditions, avionics systems reliability. Operating at maximum speed under high stress leaves no room for error. Any obstacle on the runway could result in a catastrophic failure. All automatic and communication systems must function flawlessly to support a rapid takeoff. Fortunately, the B-2 Spirit is equipped with state of the art systems designed to handle such high risk scenarios. Technology that assists in emergency situations are modern avionics and the pilot training. Advanced navigation and flight control systems help pilot make real-time decisions. The pilot undergo rigorous training for emergency scenarios, including rapid takeoff procedures. These incidents not only tested the capabilities of the B 2 Spirit, but also had broader implications for US military strategic